Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to run Python in VS Code in 2026. Before you start, make sure Python is installed on your computer and that VS Code is ready to use. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and create a new Python file, then save it with a Python file extension. VS Code should recognize the file automatically and provide Python-specific features. Next, open the extensions view and search for the official Python extension. Install it, then reload VS Code if you're asked to do so. This extension adds useful features such as code completion, error checking, debugging, and interpreter selection. Now open the command palette and choose the option to select a Python interpreter. Pick the Python installation or virtual environment you want to use for your project. After that, add some simple Python code to your file. You can use a basic print statement as a quick test. Save the file, then open the integrated terminal and run the Python file using the appropriate command. You should see the output directly in the terminal. If you get an error saying Python can't be found, check that Python is installed correctly and that your system can access it. For larger projects, consider creating a virtual environment so your project dependencies stay organized. VS Code can detect virtual environments and let you select them as your interpreter. You can also use the run and debug tools to execute Python code without manually typing commands every time. Once everything is configured, running Python becomes pretty straightforward. And that's how to run Python in VS Code. Set up the interpreter, install the Python extension, run a simple file, and you'll be ready to build more advanced projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next